Welcome to 3936 North Main here in the heart of Zachary. This is a new remodel done by Stricklin and Porter. It boasts many custom features inside. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, over 2,000 square feet. Come on in and take a look.
Michael Stricklin here with Stricklin and Porter Land. Look, if y'all want to learn more about our inventory and the projects we have going on, and also keep up with Munson Hills, click the subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's go. Come on, guys. What are you waiting for?